Hi everyone. Today we're going to do something fun. Because of our inability to travel because of COVID, we are going to travel within our city, but international travel at the same time. So today we're going to hit a couple of food stores, grocery stores, that offer different food from around the world. What do you say? Sounds good. So come on along and we'll see what we can find. So the first stop of the day is we're going to go to Europe, and we're going to go visit the small country of Holland, also known more properly as the Netherlands. This is where we're going. Ben's Meat and Deli. Cookies and biscuits. Breakfast food. There's nothing says Holland like chocolate for breakfast or other sweets. Now the other, it wouldn't say Holland, but didn't have cheese. Do they have what you want?
Oh, there's no name.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no. Spring rolls. How many? 4? 4. Because we can't come to Ben's without getting some spring rolls.
I love their spring rolls.
So whenever we come to Ben's, we usually get Dutch licorice, also known as dropias, and we usually get mints, and we almost always get spring rolls. Dip in some honey mustard and enjoy. Mm-mm-mm. 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 So that was kind of a quick trip in there, but it was a little bit busier than we're used to. We don't usually go into this store on a Saturday, so there was a lot more customers, a little harder to videotape. It was a little bit cramped for space. But that was the Dutch food store. So next we are going to go visit on the other side of the Pacific. We're getting away from Europe and we're going to go to Asia. And specifically, we're going to go to the Philippines for obvious reasons. There's a great big grocery store. We have several small Filipino grocery stores, but this one's a really big one. So we're going to head over there next. Sorry for the little bit of possible wind noise, but now we're going to a place called Seafood City. Like I said earlier, it's the Philippine supermarket. Cart or basket? Cart? Get out of the way here.
I am looking for the palabok mix.
Palabok mix. Here's pancit, pan kari kari.
Okay. Pancit palabok.
That's, I was just about to say, the pancit palabok mix right there. A trip wouldn't be complete without snacks.
Oh, my snacks. You're not Marty.
So we're back from the Philippine store and the Dutch grocery store, And we've decided that we're gonna do something fun for the next video, the one following this one. I am going to have a 24-hour Philippine food only challenge. So that means Philippine breakfast, Philippine lunch, Philippine supper, snacks, drinks, you name it. I'm doing it 24 hours, no Canadian food. No, none. Maybe water. We're gonna try that out, and we're gonna try things I've never tried before. You get to see the reaction. Hopefully I enjoy everything. And yeah, so we're gonna call it the 24-hour Filipino food challenge.